Trying LA bar food for lunch. Starting with these cheesesteak egg rolls. Prime rib, cheese, peppers, and onions. Nice golden brown. A little sweet and sour. I got so many sauces with this, I don't know what goes with what. What is even this? Hot chicken tender with Nashville ranch. I know chicken spots that can't even get their breading like this. These two go together perfectly. Nice thin crunchy batter. Nothing dry about this tender. And this is the first time I've had Nashville ranch. I'd put this on anything. Loaded tater tots with bacon, peppers. Supposed to have cheese? No more tots. Cheeseburger sliders with grilled onions. Look at this thing. The meat's got some flavor to it, and the cheese and onions are melted on top of each other. Goes with everything. See how good bar ranch is. Oh, that's blue cheese. Here's a ranch. I'm a sucker for tenders. These are all starters on the menu at Finney's, about 13 bucks each. Stay away from the tots, but the other three were impressive, especially for bar food. Lunch score, 8.2.